Looking for the best serger machines in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top Overlock sewing machines you can buy right now for clean stitching, professional garment finishing, and fast sewing results. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced sewer, these machines will upgrade your sewing game. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Brother 1034D Serger. The Brother 1034D Serger is a heavy-duty overlock sewing machine designed for professional quality finishing and durability. Built with a strong metal frame, it ensures stability while operating at speeds of up to 1,300 stitches per minute, making it efficient for a variety of sewing projects. It helps create clean, professional edges on garments by trimming and overlocking fabric in one step. The removable trim trap collects fabric scraps for easy cleanup, while the included 3 accessory feet add versatility for different stitching tasks. Finished in a clean white design, this serger is ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to upgrade their sewing results. Number 2. Serger X5004 HD Metal Frame Serger. The Serger X5004 HD Metal Frame Serger and Overlock machine is a powerful and durable sewing machine designed for professional quality stitching and fabric finishing. Built with a strong metal frame, it offers stability and long-lasting performance while operating at speeds of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. It supports 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching along with 8 built-in stitch options, providing flexibility for different sewing and overlocking projects. The adjustable differential feed ensures smooth and even stitching on various fabric types, while the dual LED lights improve visibility for precise work. With its modern gray and blue design, this serger is ideal for both advanced users and serious sewing enthusiasts. Number 3. JUKI MO-50E is a versatile 3 or 4 thread serger. The JUKI MO-50E is a versatile 3 or 4 thread serger designed to deliver professional quality stitching and clean fabric finishing. It features lay-in tensions for easy threading and an adjustable differential feed that helps prevent fabric stretching or puckering on different materials. The built-in rolled hem function allows for quick and neat edge finishing, while the automatic lower looper threader simplifies setup and reduces threading time. It also includes a retractable upper knife for added safety and control during operation. Compact yet powerful, the JUKI MO-50E is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced sewing users who want smooth, precise overlock results. Number 4. Bernette B68 Airlock Serger. The Bernette B68 Airlock Serger sewing machine is a high-performance overlock machine designed for smooth, professional quality stitching. It features an advanced air threading system for quick and easy setup, along with adjustable stitch length for greater control over different sewing projects. With a powerful speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute, it delivers efficient and precise results. The machine supports 5 thread options for versatile stitching, while the presser foot adjustment allows better handling of various fabric types. Equipped with a bright LED light for improved visibility, this serger also comes with a useful bundle that includes scissors, a rotary cutter, threads, and a cutting mat, making it a complete kit for sewing enthusiasts. Number 5. JUKI MO-735 is a versatile 5-thread serger. The JUKI MO-735 is a versatile 5-thread serger and cover hem sewing machine designed for professional quality stitching and finishing. It combines overlock and cover stitch functions in one machine, allowing users to create durable seams and clean hems for a wide range of fabrics. Built for precision and efficiency, it delivers smooth and consistent stitching ideal for garment construction, alterations, and creative sewing projects. The machine is user-friendly and engineered for reliable performance, making it suitable for both advanced home sewists and small business use. Compact yet powerful, the JUKI MO-735 offers excellent versatility for achieving high-quality, professional sewing results. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing and crafting guides. All product links are in the description below, check them out.